Good morning children, welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 1, the remaining sums of question number 1 from exercise 12.1 chapter 12 algebraic expression. Question number 1, the question was get the algebraic expressions for each of the statements. Question number 5, number x and y both squared and added. Number x and y both squared and added. So what you have to do, you will just make them squared. X squared means x into x squared, and add with y squared. Both of them are squared and added. Next question. Numbers 5 added to 3 times the product of the numbers of m and n. 3 times the product of the numbers. 3 times the product of the numbers means 3 into product of the numbers, 3 into m into n, that is 3mn. 3 times the product of the numbers means 3mn. The number 5 is added to 3 times the product of the numbers. So number 5 you need to add it here. So 3mn, product of the numbers m and n, 3 times 3 into plus 5. This is the expression of this question. Now question number 7. Product of the numbers y and z subtracted from 10. From 10. So 10 we have to write in front. Product of the numbers, what we have to subtract? Product of the numbers. That means x and y, that is xy. You have to subtract product of the numbers x and y. Product of the numbers x and y means, sorry, not y. Y and x, y. It is y and z. Product of the numbers y and z. Y, z. You need to subtract from 10. So 10 minus yz. Understood? Next question is sum of the numbers a and b subtracted from their product. Subtracted from their product. The numbers are a and b. So product of them is a into b, ab. What you need to subtract from here? It is sum of the numbers. So a plus b. That means sum of the numbers you are subtracting from their product of the numbers. Understood? Question number 2. Identify the terms and their factors of the following expressions by factor tree. Already we have explained factor tree, when we are in the introduction part, we have expressed about factor tree. Identify the terms and the factors from the factor tree. First expression I have taken question number 2, question B. First expression is 1 plus x square. If this is the expression, then how many terms are there? 3 terms. Three terms are there. So one term is 1, second one is x, third one is x square. Here they are only single one, so you need no need to expand it more. Now x square means 1x and another x. So these are the factors. Identify the terms and the first way are the terms. They are terms. This is expression. This is expression. This is expression. These are terms and factors. Ultimately, they are the factors only. Next sum. Next sum. Question number D. 5x square x y square plus 7xy square. 7x square y. This is the expression. Their terms, they are binomial. 2 terms are there. So 5x y square. Second one is 7x square y. Again I can, there are 3 factors. So many factors are there. First one I can write 5. Second one I can write x. Third one is y square, where y square means y into y. I can write it here only y into y, or I can write another by taking y and y. From here we are taking it 7 x square and then y. X square again you can break and one x and another x. So I hope this will be easy for you students. Now we will do question number 2, second part. Question number 2, Roman 2. Here what is the question? Identify the terms and the factors from the expression. Expressions are given here. I have made this column and row to separately, to write separately the expression, the terms of that expression and the factors of that expression. Okay. Now 4 minus 4x plus 5. Here the terms are, it is minus 4x plus 5. First expression is minus 4x plus 5. So the expression is minus 4x plus 5. First two terms are there, I can see it is a binomial, two terms. So minus 4x and 5. These are the two terms. And factors, what are the factors here? There are only two factors you can see. One is 4 and another is x. And second term only one factor, so you can write this. Question number D. xy plus 2x square y square. xy plus 2x square y square. Whatever the expressions are given, we will write the expression here in the column of expression, and after that you have to find the terms. So how many terms are there? Two terms, binomial. One term is xy and another term is 2x square y square. xy is the first term and the second term is x square y square. Now the factors, here two factors you can see, one is x, another is y, and here you can see so many factors are there, you have to write it separately. 2, then x square means 2x are there and y square means 2y. So all the factors you have to write separately. Come to the next one. 1.2 AB minus, it is question number F. 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B plus 3.6 A. So factors, number of terms 3, trinomial. Separately you have to write the factors. 1.2 AB, you can see it. Is it clear to you? 1.2 AB, comma, minus 2.4 B, comma, plus 3 plus we will not write, only 3.6 A. So these are the three terms here, and you have to write the factors also. Factors of this one is 1.2 comma A comma B, first one. Second one is minus 2.4 comma B. Third one is 3.6 comma A. Okay. Now the last I have taken as H. All the sums are same only. So in H, what is the question? You can see the question is 0.1 p square plus 0.2 q square. So two terms are there, binomial. You can write the factors here separately. Terms first you have to write 0.1 p square, then 0.2 q square. Now you need to write the factors also separately. First one is 0.1, then comma p into p, because p 2 times 0.2 and q also 2 times, so q. These are all the factors we have written here separately. See here, we have done all the expressions, terms and factors separately in the row wise and column wise. Now come to Now question number 3. Identify the numerical coefficient other than constant. We will not write constant this time because the question is asking that other than constant from the following expression. So that you can see the expression, I have again made this column and rows. Expression is 5 minus 3t square, and you have to write the terms, then the coefficient. X other than constant, constant part we will not write. So that here the terms are minus 3t square. We can write it as minus 3t square. Constant part we will not write. Which one is containing the coefficient, that part we are writing. And here the coefficient of t square is minus 3. In this expression x plus 2xy plus 3y, here all the terms are containing variables, so there is no constant term. I have to write all the terms x, 2xy and 3y. Here the coefficient of x, what do you think? What is there? Yes, 1. In the expression, in this expression, what is the coefficient? 2. And in this expression, in this term, term 2xy coefficient is 2, term 3y coefficient is 3. Okay. Now minus p square q square plus 7p cube, both are the terms where constant term is not there. Both the terms are containing variables. So we have to write this p square q square, and then second one is plus 7p cube. Here the coefficient, numerical coefficient is minus 1, and here the numerical coefficient is 7. Okay. Now come to question number 7. 3.14 x square. 3.14 x square. 3.14 x square. Here this one is you have to write because it's containing variable 3, 4. We have to write 0.14 x square, and the numerical coefficient is 3.14 only. Which numerical coefficient of x square is 3.14. Next one is 0.1y plus 0.01y. Two terms are there, binomial. It is monomial. This one is binomial, trinomial, binomial. Bi means 2, tri means 3, again 2. So binomial 1, monomial 0.1 or binomial. Now the terms are, you have to write the terms 0.1y and 0.01y, y square, 0.1y square. Now these factors are 0.1y square. Now the numerical coefficient here is 0.1, 0.1, first one is 0.1, second one is 0.01. Understood? So all these terms and factors you have to identify properly, then you will write it separately. I hope it will be very easy for you, but you need to practice. Thank you, students.